It's 3 in the morning, and you're mindlessly scrolling through YouTube Shorts, one of my podcasts. Motivational videos and movie clips keeps popping up on your screen. You're loving it. But then you take a look at the number of views: 21 million, 37 million, 44 million, 57 million, 65 million. You shake your head and think views are great, but surely they can't be making much money out of it because they're just uploading clips that aren't even theirs. You're not convinced, so you head over to Social Blade, and what you see there leaves your eyes wide open. 67, 50, 45, 80 every single month. I know what you're thinking, it's super simple. If they can, why can't I? Yes, I start a faceless YouTube channel, but how? Don't worry, this video is the answer to your question. How? You don't believe me? Take a look at these YouTube Shorts that I made myself in under 2 minutes. You want to make money by basically doing nothing? Make sure to follow along till the end. Let me break it down for you guys. First you need to choose a niche, then a channel name, profile picture, ideas for the videos, and finally a video editor. But what about the scripts and voiceover? Now you don't even need the shenanigan. With my strategy, you can scratch these out. A little piece of advice before choosing a niche: choose something you know you're not going to get bored of. Even after 10 years investing time and energy into something you like will prevent you from burning out and will keep you motivated for a longer time. In motivational quotes, sad or romantic quotes, podcasts, cute pets, or facts about them, sports top 5. A list to movie clips. There are endless opportunities. Since I love drama, I'm gonna go ahead with podcasts, featuring none other than Andrew Tate. You like them or hate them, we all watch his videos clearly. For our YouTube channel's name, let's go with the top G. Chatgpt. I'm gonna ask you to suggest some YouTube Shorts channel name ideas about Andrew Tate podcasts. I like this one, Tate Talks Shorts. For step 3, we need a profile picture. Let's go to Midjourney and give it a prompt to give a cartoonish picture of Andrew Tate as a Satan smoking cigar. This is amazing. Let's save this one next. Let's go to Canva and quickly create a banner using this Midjourney image. I'm gonna keep the banner very basic, nothing extra. Perfect. Calling all Andrew Tate fans want to go viral with the best moments from his podcast. I've got the ultimate secret. Opus Clip. It's a generative AI video tool that repurposes long videos in one click. You're going to use this tool to transform long videos into 10 viral clips with subtitles, emojis, and face tracking for maximum impact. These are some of the most viral podcasts, and with just one click, this tool has generated so many shorts out of these videos. And we're not done yet. To make sure these clips go viral, I've cracked the code for the perfect titles and hashtags. The best part is this tool has already suggested us some great titles and hashtags for each clip, such as these. I'm going to leave these titles as it is, and I will add some more relevant hashtags like Shorts, Andrew Tate podcast, and so on. For better visibility, to write a video description, ask ChatGPT to write SEO-friendly YouTube video description for the related topics. This stuff is also important to increase search views and reach the right audience. By adding relevant keywords to the description, YouTube will recommend the videos to the intended audience. The step is optional, but if you like, add some background music from the YouTube music library to take your shorts to the next level. And make sure to adjust the audio level, don't overpower it, just keep it balanced. And lastly, make sure to schedule the videos on YouTube as per your preference. Remember, consistency is key to growing the channel and making money. Don't lose hope. If you aren't getting views in the beginning, and do not, I repeat, do not delete such videos. You never know when the YouTube algorithm is going to pick up your video and make it go super viral. So just keep pushing forward. And there you have it, a faceless YouTube channel that's ready to pump out videos every single day. Also, if you're interested in knowing how I generated close to $25,000 in the last 30 days with the help of freelance digital marketing, there's a step-by-step free training for my viewers only. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to keep up with my latest content.